Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to pay California franchise tax. This annual fee is a mandatory cost for many businesses operating in the state. It applies to entities like C corporations, S corporations, LLC, limited partnerships, and limited liability partnerships. However, sole proprietorships and general partnerships are typically exempt. For most businesses, the minimum annual franchise tax is $800. Understanding your filing requirements and deadlines is crucial. Generally, businesses must file and pay their franchise tax by the 15th day of the fourth month following the close of their tax year. For example, a calendar year business would pay by April 15th. Newly registered LLCs have a unique initial due date, paying their $800 fee 4 months after formation. Corporations, however, are often exempt from the minimum $800 tax in their first year. California offers several convenient ways to pay your franchise tax. You can pay online using WebPay directly from your bank account, which is free, or use a credit card, though a service fee applies. Alternatively, you can mail a check or money order. For LLC, remember to use Form 3522 for the $800 tax and Form 3536 for any additional fees. Corporations generally file with Form 100 or Form 100S. Avoiding penalties is essential for compliance. Late filing or payment can lead to significant penalties, starting at 5% of the unpaid tax, plus an additional 0.5% for each month it remains unpaid. These penalties can accumulate up to 25% of the tax due. Dishonored payments also incur a penalty of $25 or 2% of the payment amount. For comprehensive details and official forms, always refer to the California Franchise Tax Board website.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.